Fine, this is problem number 6. Let us solve here. What should be less by the multiplication of 0.527 and 2.013 to get 1? So first we need to multiply and then we need to subtract so that we will get 1. Let us go with that. So they have given 2.013 into 0.527. Right, next multiply. So 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, right? 7 1 is 7 plus 2, 9, 0, 7 2s are 14. Now let me start with 2, 2 3s are 6, right? 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4. Next let me go with the 5, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, 0, 5 2s are 10. Now just add it here. 1, 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carry, right? 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry. 4 plus 2, 6, right? 0 and as well as 1. So now it's very important to place the decimal point. See here how many digits are there. 1 2 3 here also 1 2 3 total after 6. So digits you need to place from the right side, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this will become 1.060851. what we need to get 1, so that we need to subtract with some number. What is that number? This number we need to subtract, that is 0.060851. so subtract it, we are going to get this is nothing but 1, right? The answer for this is we need to subtract with 0.060851. This is the answer.